Today I'll be showing you how to replace a S5 LCD in glass. First, remove the battery, then disconnect the home button flex. Now it's time to remove the front LCD. Heat up the front glass, do not exceed 85 degrees, keep around about 60-65. Use a thin blade or spudger and pry under the front glass, starting from the top, and work your way down. It's very important that you keep the heat on at all times. Keep in mind, be very careful of the back buttons. Sometimes these can get stuck to the front glass, and if you're not careful they can tear off and won't function again. If they are stuck to the glass, give a bit more heat and just wedge them off the glass very gently. Also remove the home button of the glass. Using your thin blade, gently remove the LCD panel off the frame. Now it's time to clean off the middle bezel. It is very important that the surface is absolutely clean. Use a rag and some isopropyl and just give the frame a bit of a wipe. Now it's time to test the new LCD replacement part. Insert the battery, connect the flex cable as well as the home button flex. Power on the device. Check for functionality. This includes a home button, touch, and the power button. Also check the camera if you can get into the phone. Power off the device and disconnect the flex cables and remove the LCD panel. Install your adhesive strips. This helps to keep the panel on a lot more sturdier and gives for a better repair. Use B7000 glue and glue the outer edges of the frame. Remove any protective covering of the new LCD part. Reconnect your LCD flex cable, followed with the home button flex cable, and position the LCD evenly onto the frame. Make sure you press the LCD down firmly. Reconnect the home button flex. Install your battery and the back cover. Power on the device and check for functionality once more. Once you are satisfied with the test that you've just carried out, it's time to apply the rubber bands. This helps the LCD compress onto the middle bezel a lot better for better repair. Usually leave this on for at least an hour, up to 12 hours. And there you have it, guys. Great job. Thanks for watching, guys. Please click the subscribe button.